guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are playing Minecraft Trial. So as you guys can see, I have played many servers in this gap. So the best server in my Minecraft career is a server called BMR. So in this server I did a lot of progress. Okay, so please check out, guys. Oh my goodness, is this, wait, where am I? Okay, let's go to sleep. So guys, we found the best village we can, but we need to go for sleep. So this is the server I have played. So this is the best village I found, guys. Let's go over here. We have some houses. So I have not found any dog, but I found bones. I make into bone meal and I just lost. These are my dogs. See, he will communicate with you. Hello. Say hi for viewers. Say. See guys, he's saying, he's replying. Who said that? You middle guy? Come with me. Hey man, come on. Come on. Ooh, he had teleported. Hey. Say hi for viewers. Say hi. Say hi. I'm gonna go. Say hi. He said, guys, come on. Come to your friends. Come on. Come on. Oi. Okay. Let's push him in the beds. Go, my lord. Go. Okay. Tell subscribe to this channel. Tell guys. Thank you for that. Nemo. He had a lot of hacks which I stolen from the villagers. So here there is a nether spawner. There is even gold blocks. Where is that? Oh, there is no gold. Guys, this is obsidian. Crying obsidian. This is so rare. So I have some banners. This is my chemistry table. Chemist 2. Bell. Wake up, villagers, wake up. Villagers are gone because pillagers has been raided this. So I got only some stuff from this. So guys, if you are a Minecraft player in trial, if you see anything like this, oh here there is a rider. Oh, this is llama. If you see like this, that is, make sure that is a village. It is definitely a village. So that is not so quiet. So I did not go over here. There is any chest. Oh, there is something actually. Okay, I need to bring my pickaxe. Let's go, team. So I found this village very soonly, faster. So take my pickaxe. Is everyone quiet? Be quiet. Your brother is going for somewhere. Okay. So guys, this is from nether spawner. There is a chest over here which will actually give you some pickaxe, armor, golden apples. It is so rare to get. So I'm gonna go over there. So there is a staircase, but that was broken when I was over here. Where is it? Where is that? Oh, there is no. Where is it? Guys? No. Where is, oh, here. Okay, let's go. I think there is a smoker over here. No. Yes, guys, there is a smoker. See guys, there is cobweb. If you go in that, you stuck forever. You can come, but you need to keep lot of work. So there is a well over here. There is a iron golem spawner. So guys, this is a villagers is so dumb, guys. See, this is a super house. But why did they spawn over here? This is something and I don't know very properly. So if you want some bells, you can find in village. So in Minecraft trial, that is so tough to find villages. So if you go, so guys, I stolen from here something. So okay, let's break this glass. To break glass, you will not get any glass. But I'm doing it. So hey, sheep, go in the water. So that is an iron golem house. I'm gonna show you that it's not so house. It's a fence where iron golem will look out of this village. See guys, there is bathtub over here. It's not gold. Plus, so this is iron golem spawn.